Friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use app lock. So you have to download this app in Play Store or given in description of link. So as you open it, it's saying draw a pattern. So I will draw a pattern that you need to set a password. So I drawn like this. So you have to set up your own pattern or use different as it goes stuff. So agree and start. So there are more options, as you can see there are. So these are the apps which we can lock. So this is very useful that we can lock email also or Gmail also. So we have to permit permission for this. So as you click on that, it goes automatically to the permission. So there comes, so select app lock app, and there is a permit usage access. So I have given, so wait for 4 seconds and press their accept button. So as I press, so we have to come back. So as we granted permission to that app, so we have to also permit pop-up display and over display the app as we select that. So it is done. So I have locked Amazon app. There is so many options that you can do it here, like fingerprint lock and security settings. So as we fingerprint locks, as fingerprint works, the app unlocks. So as you can see, and there is also a intruder selfie. As they try to open the app, it will take a photo and is need allow permission for camera usage as we set password. So it has been done. So from now it will take a selfie who had tried to open this app. So you can change the settings and it has many options. So it also required pattern to delete this app. So they cannot delete this app easily. So to unlock apps, so as you can see, I have locked Amazon. So I will open it. So it shows app lock. So they cannot find out which app we used. So thank you friends, please subscribe to my channel.